Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use the DalleE2 in your browser. Basically, this is a function of the multiple functions that OpenAI website got for us, and what it does basically, it can give you like multiple images. It can create your like really original images, not copyrighted, not from Google, not from anything. It creates images for you from scratch. So that is like the mind-blowing thing, which is it gives you really pretty decent images designs, but it is from scratch, so there is no copyright on them, there is nothing, so they will be yours. So how you can actually access to this website? Basically go to OpenAI, and from here you will have this DalleE2. You can click it from here, or just go in here. Now what you'll have to do is sign up or log in. For me, I have already an account, so I will log in, and just like that I will log into my account. So wait a little bit, and here we go. Now what you will have to do is, for example, there is three options for you to go for. There is the surprise me, and he will write you whatever it is he'd like, and he will generate for you something from its imagination. So here's, he wrote a macro 35mm photograph of 12, and yeah, this is like the images that he creates for us. What we can do is, let's remove that and let's create samurai. Okay, let's fix this. Samurai fighting at night during moonlight, and let's wait a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't even take a lot of time, so that's the thing about the cool thing about it. So yeah, this is the images that it gives for us. Here is some options that you can do, which is generate variation, download image, edit image, or open it in your tab. So let's choose an image, and let's choose this one, and let's make some variation of it. So generate variations, and let's wait a little bit. So yeah, let's wait, and what it's supposed to give us, it's the same image but with a little bit of variation that will not be so much different. So as you can see, here is like the original, and here is the variation. So what you can do, for example, you can edit the image by going here. You can, I don't know, add something to it, remove something from it. Let's do something like that, and let's see, and let's keep it that way. From here, for example, you can download it. Here we can add something to it, some images. You can, whatever you'd like to do, you can use it in this section. So if we make something like that, you can add, for example, another thing, which is army, and generate. And basically what it's supposed to do is like search another image for you. Yeah, so that's how you can actually use this bot or AI, and it is free. That is the cool thing about it. So you can get inspired or do whatever you like using it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.